All right, I was gonna do a little video here showing my new anvil setup. This is, I believe Brian Brazil was the kind of inventor of this style. This whole setup is made by Andrew Larson. Highly recommend all of his tools, hammers, and now anvils. So basically it's a mild steel two-piece. So you have the top part here, and then comes out of the bottom, and the whole piece lifts up out of your striking anvil. So this is removable. It's just got a pin, so you can take it down that way. Then these are just removable for your tool holders. The holes in the legs, you got these holes right here that go all the way down. Those can be filled with sand. And the feet, I'll tilt this down a little bit. It's a three-piece triangle. So if you bolt down this and any of them, really, all the feet, it's an even triangle, equilateral. So if you want to turn it 90 degrees or however, the holes will still match up that you put into the ground with that. So, but yeah, you got your striking anvil. I'm pretty excited about it. It's very versatile, and I like the narrow face on these for most of the type of forging that I do. I don't need a big, wide face, so this is going to be quite nice. Very excited to get it all dressed up and start using.